joined the AI Factory because it's the leading community for AI startups in France. From our point of view, Microsoft and INRIA are the best partners to help those kind of startups.
We joined AI Factory because there's a great ecosystem with great competencies, with some very strong vertical startups.
The first one is technical, because Microsoft can bring in their technical expertise, especially since we are selling a very complicated solution to business users. We help Microsoft's technical expertise can help. And the second aspect is the commercial aspect. Creating a product is different, but selling it commercially is a totally different ballgame, and we hope to benefit from Microsoft's expertise there as well.
We expect Microsoft to help us speed up our sales and increase our number of customers. We run on Microsoft Azure today, and we of course want to leverage the capacity of the cloud and the elasticity of the cloud.
There is no better way to keep up with the pace of innovation other than join the community and build innovation together.
Joining the Microsoft AI community means being able to do so, sharing with a group of top-notch startups, all leaders in their respective markets.
We can benefit from each other by sharing good practices in sales, marketing, technology, science.
And we can't do anything without the help of key talents, so we need to build a strong community.
Working so close to the Microsoft team is really incredible. We can't wait to have their teams challenge our products, our technology, our business model.
Having along Microsoft, INRIA and other really great startups, I think is a great melting pot of key people involved in the AI space.
It's a good thing to have support, to have new ideas.
Joining Microsoft program is also a way to accelerate our business, to reach a broader audience and to reach the European market and more globally the worldwide market.
Using AI technology, we can apply those processes much faster at a much larger scale.
It's to strengthen the research and engineering capabilities we have at Eurytech.
Because of Microsoft's ambition in AI, we share their vision of building communities to achieve better results.